Okay, a quick video on how to use the intraday scanner on NASDAQ and NYSE stocks. Now, once you're logged in, it's pretty easy. You just go to scans, then whatever scan you want to do, just obviously click it. Okay, I'm going to do a Darvas scan for this example. Put in the criteria you want. I'm just going to scan for any Darvas box, and it's got to be above the 21 exponential moving average, and it has to do volume of at least 50,000 shares per candle or per bar. And then I'm going to, this is where you need to select the market you want to scan. So obviously here, I've just pressed NASDAQ, and on the time frame, I pressed 1 hour. Okay, you got to make sure these are obviously selected correctly, because if they're not, it's not going to know what to do. Okay, press those correctly and then simply press scan. Now the results then come up on the right as usual, and you can add them to your watch list. Okay, and so then you can scroll through. Here's Adobe that's come up on an hourly Darvas box scan. And obviously by doing scans on smaller time frames, it just gives shorter term traders or position or swing traders the opportunity to get into stocks earlier, or if they like an overall structure or trend of on a daily or weekly time frame, they can then zoom into the shorter time frames in order to pick their entry spot, maybe and get in a little sooner than they would have got in otherwise. Okay, for shorter term traders, this gives them an opportunity to to trade short term, to look at Darvas boxes on hourly, 2 hourly, 4 hourly charts, pick their spots, and be shorter term traders based on the classic rules that Darvas gave us in the 60s that have continued to work. So it's pretty cool. Get in there, play around with it, get a free trial if you're not a member yet. Any questions, never hesitate to email support@protrader.com.au. Cheers.